pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-curled, pre-cut, all the pre's and all. Back today with another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, and if you are subscribed to my channel, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. The video is going to be brought to you by the company Klaiyi hair. I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area, and I haven't opened it up yet, so we're going to open it up together, of course. But this is the packaging right here, and let's see what we get inside. Of course, you get your box, and then in this bag you get some combs and brushes, which is something new that I've seen the company start to do. I'm just gonna pull that out real quick, but I think I've showed this before, so y'all probably not really that interested in this. Inside the box, your unit is right here, and also some little goodies. There's just the company's elastic band, and also an HD wig cap, and some press-on nails. That I will be showing you guys today is their pre-curled bye-bye knots 7x5 body wig. And look at the curls. This unit is 24 inches in length. Is your parting space area, so you do get those pre-bleached knots. You also get your pre-cut lace, and it also comes with your pre-plucked hairline. Is the area on the side to put your removable adjustable strap. It only comes with one comb in the back, but you also get these adjustable straps. And then there is the pre-cut lace. So the times with my pre-cut wigs, I always have to go in with just a little bit of tint spray right at the front of this lace area, because it always ends up coming off a little bit too light. So before I even put it on, I'm just gonna go ahead and spray. I'm gonna be using my Tailored Crown lace overlay. This is in the color Almond. I'll make sure to leave a link down below for this, because if you've been watching my channel for a while, or if you're new, this is my fave, just because it doesn't come off heavy and it doesn't come off ashy, and she offers a variety of different colors. So I'm just gonna place this at the very front. What it looks like on in Klaiyi. This is looking real good already, and I haven't even done anything yet. So let's get into the front of this hairline. Now I do feel like I'm gonna have to go in and just trim down a little bit more of that lace. I mean, you can leave it on if you choose to, that is totally up to you. But I'm gonna trim off a little bit of that excess lace. But they did a really good job with plucking out the very front, so I'm not gonna have to go in and do anything when it comes to this. And then this is what this side looks like. Parting space, baby, that's giving scalp. Okay, it's giving scalp all day long. And of course you can go back a little bit further. You can go this far back, okay? So you're not just stuck with this as a middle part. And of course, if you like it as a side part, ooh, I don't want to mess these curls up yet. We just gonna peek in. But yes, you can move the parting space over. I've pretty much done the work for me, so I'm not gonna have to do much at all. I am gonna go in with my olive oil mousse at the very front, because we still want to give the illusion that this is melted down without having to commit to any type of adhesive or any type of glue. But yeah, I can already tell this one is gonna look nice. was really simple and easy to install. This is going to be great for a beginner because the hair is really nice and silky. It doesn't require too much maintenance. And it already comes pre-curled. Now, I was a little bit surprised how well the curl still held up even after I decided to move the parting over, because I knew it was going to drop down a little bit looser, but I didn't have to go in and retouch up anything. But if you want this to hold just a little bit longer, I would definitely go in with some type of holding spray. Definitely glad that I added my tint spray to the very front of the lace because it helped to blend it down perfectly to my skin. I did not have to put any powder in the very front area. The only thing that I went in and did was trim down some of the lace a little bit more because I felt like it was just a little bit too much left over, but it wasn't a big deal because to me that's a super easy fix because they already pretty much did most of the work for you. But I feel like it still looks really good. As you can see on the side, I did have to add powder into it just to kind of help brighten and open it up. But when I was rocking the middle part, I didn't put any powder. It's laid down really flat while it was styled as a middle part, but once I moved it over, I could see so many shorter hairs. So I had to go in with the same mousse that I used at the front of the hairline to lay everything down. And it laid down really good, but it was a lot going on. And then I used my hot comb just to kind of press everything out after I dried it down. And it's laying down really good. Also went on the side and just took out a little bit of hair and just cut it short and swooped it over. I didn't want to do too much because I didn't want to take away from the front of the hairline. So I feel like it still looks very natural. See me add a bobby pin on each side just for some extra security. The one thing that I will say is I feel like this unit fits perfectly back here. It's not too big. There's a little bit of room, but it's nothing for me to cry about. But right in this area is where I'm noticing some bigness of the cap. Like, I don't know if you guys can really see. You probably can now that I'm doing it like this, but I had to kind of keep patting it down so that it wouldn't look crazy because I don't want to look like I got a little cone head going on. But yeah, there's some extra cap going on right here. I tighten everything up, it lays down really flat. So if you do have a smaller head like me, I just want you to be aware of that extra one. You get a little bit of shedding during the styling process, but not too much. And also as far as snags, y'all, this hair is really nice and soft. Yes, it did snag up just a little bit, but not snag to where it was starting to get caught. It was just from me moving the hair around. I am noticing some frizziness and flyaways. You are going to have to make sure to put some serum throughout this hair just to kind of control it. I noticed most of the frizziness like right in this area. I feel like the ends on this look really good. They're not too bad, so I wasn't too concerned when it came to the ends. Also makes a really nice ponytail. As I turned around and gathered into a ponytail, I was like, okay, so the density on this is really good, especially for every day. You guys know it is eventually going to get warmer outside because right now spring is not fighting back. It is still some coldness going on, cool enough for a sweater or even a light little jacket. But if you did want to rock this when it starts heating up to like 100 degrees, you'll be on the safe side if you are somebody who likes to rock your units in the summertime. And I really don't have too much more to say about this unit. This is ready to wear. Ready to wear, and they meant that, okay? All you have to do is add your little powder to the front. If it doesn't match your skin tone, you're gonna be good to go because it's pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-curled, pre-cut, all the pre's, and I'm gonna get tongue-tied. But everything is already done, so you should be good to go. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. Are you feeling the side part, or do you prefer a middle part, or would you rock it both ways? If you are interested in this unit, I am gonna make sure to leave all the links down below in the description area once again. You can subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share, and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.